This particular question, this is number 2 on the OT3 practice test, is saying that every week, and T stands for the number of weeks, every single week something decreases by 30%. Keep in mind, if something's decreasing, but then the equation tells you how much is left, okay? If you want to know how much is left, you take 100% of whatever you had, and every single week you subtract 30%. What you're actually saying is 70%, or 0.7. That's your multiplier, okay? So whatever your amount is, and here, if let's just say this is week 1, okay? You had 8 grams of nitrogen. At the end of week 1, you would multiply by 0.7 and whatever that equals, and I want you to notice we don't have to calculate it. Week 2, you would take what you had from week 1, okay, and let me do this so that you can really tell. So week 2, you would take that, but then you would multiply by 0.7 again, okay? So then you would take what you had for week 3, find that color again. Okay, so that was the answer, or the amount left from week 1. During week 3, you would take that amount and multiply it by 0.7 again, okay? And what you start to realize is the pattern is you're repeatedly multiplying by 0.7, and that the number of times you're multiplying it is the same number of weeks, okay? So if you had week T, that would be 8 times 0.7, which would have multiplied by that point T times. So that answer is D.